Hi and welcome to Tubematic Demo. In this demo, we're going to show you how Tubematic works, how it's going to be helping you generate leads, generate sales from spying on your competition, seeing what's working on the platform YouTube. Basically, we're going to be uncovering winning ads with banners and details about those channels running more ads, landing pages, and ideas to get started with your own campaigns so you can target videos that you can promote on without even creating your own videos. So this is what Tubematic is, together with the training, the step-by-step process of being an affiliate or selling online through the strategies and blueprint that we're using to generate us commissions on a day-to-day basis on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any major affiliate network, basically. This is perfect for any affiliate marketer, blogger, business owner, somebody that wants to drive traffic with YouTube ads. This is perfect for you. So let's get started. Basically, what we're going to be able to do is come and find who's running ads based on specific keywords. So let's say we wanted to promote a specific offer that's on ClickBank. And let's say I wanted to do maybe, I don't know, diabetes. And let's see what kind of results we get. Okay, so we're seeing that these are ads that are running right now. And we can see the details on the banner used, the actual landers. And something that really pops out for me is when I notice that somebody's promoting some kind of ClickBank offer. So let's proceed to a little bit more. I'm just going through some of these so you can see how this works. So I think this one right here might be something that is a ClickBank offer. If I click on it, I'll be able to see the actual landing page. So this is a ClickBank offer. If I click on to click more or learn more, it will take me over to the affiliate offer. And basically, once somebody buys, and I'm trying to find, this is an affiliate offer, 100%. Okay, so I just saw the whole funnel from this ad that's been running. Now, I'm going to get some more information about this channel. I'm going to see, when it was published, how long ago. I can find more ads linking to this if I wanted to. I can find more ads on this channel. The link of the video and the video description if it's available and everything. Okay, so you basically have everything at hand right off here. So we can then basically export this to an Excel where we can use this information for our campaigns that we're going to be building, or once we're building our campaigns, we're going to be able to see more stuff. So it's all based on, you can see all these are ads running from that same domain, which is perfect because we now see what the competition is doing. Very important. We got the banner that we can use. We got, or replicate. We got the offer. We got the funnel. Everything is available for us to go out and build our campaigns based on what's working right now. So in our ads placements section, what we're going to be able to do is put maybe the word ClickBank, and then I'm going to be able to find all the channels that contain ClickBank as something that you can find information from. Now this is going to be helpful because what we can do is then take these channels. If I choose all these channels that contain the word ClickBank, then I can export these into a CSV file where I'm going to be able to copy these links and add them in my ad campaigns so I can target specific channels instantly using our software. Now, usually to get this information, you need to go and choose one of each one manually on the Google Ads form. But here we're giving you the choice of just throwing it inside the Google campaigns that you're going to be creating on Google ads or YouTube ads. Another great option that we have, but this is a part of an upsell, is our Google Ad Spy tool. Again, we can come here and put like a keyword based on the product that we're promoting, and we can search if there's anything online on Google that has to do with the ads. So we're revealing those ads. This is part of an upsell, just letting you know. You'll be able to go ahead and save the information channels that you have, so you can always keep them around. And you can also save your ads that you're going to find inside our software. Another great feature that we have, which is part of upsell 1, is our custom search. So for this, we'll put like diabetes campaign. And if I put like diabetes and click, it's gonna go out and search 24/7 for new ads that are being placed. So you'll always be ahead of your competition when an ad is being created. Okay, so every time with this keyword right here, it will bring you new ads every day. Okay, the latest ads that have been placed online. Okay, so if there's a new ad based on the keywords that you're having, it's going to show up in this section right here with the custom searches. This is part of upsell 1, and it's going to help automate your searching process. So you can just come in, check out if there's any new ads, and it's going to be working for you all the time. And you can fix multiple ones, and then you can come in and start going through the information that you're getting here. Okay, so this is really powerful because it automates everything that you're trying to do with Google Ads. You get targeted ads that you can create ads on, videos that you don't even need to create. You just find the links, put them inside the Google Ads, send your traffic to your own landing pages, and use what you're getting from all the details that we're giving you here, from banners, from icons, from the sales pages, from the display. Everything, all the details are here for you to use for your campaigns. This means high ROI, finding the right people, the right buyers, leads, the right offers, and we're giving you a lot more with our training, step over the shoulders that I'm taking you step by step on how to build a real campaign, promoting offers and generating commissions. And I'm going to be focusing mostly on ClickBank, and because we know that newbies and people that want to get started want to make their lives easier through this process of promoting on Google Ads, which is huge. And you'll be able to generate commissions just like the ones that you're seeing here. And these were actually performed from using the same method and ads that I've run on Google Ads, which is all talked about inside the training course as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join us for this amazing launch for Tubematic on the 17th of December at 11 a.m. Eastern. Talk to you there. Peace out.